Here. Helen, spring is in the air.
Feels like it, doesn't it, Ben? In fact, it's only 8 days now to the end of the meteorological winter. And so you can see the colours of spring, as Ben hinted at, out and about. And it certainly feels like spring out there. But midweek, it gets a little bit chillier once again, and nighttime frost return. At the moment, we're bathed in the Atlantic west or southwesterlies, high pressure, keeping things relatively dry to the south. But this weather front is bathing many areas in a lot of cloud. We've got some rain across central Scotland. To the north of it, it's brighter with some sunshine and some showers, and to the south of it as well, across the Midlands and East Anglia, and that sunshine's punctuating the cloud elsewhere as well. But the rain is with us in the north. It's drizzly with some hill fog in some western areas around the coast, but where we have that sunshine, already 14s and 15s, so we could see 16 in a few spots throughout the rest of the afternoon. Now, overnight, with all that cloud around and the breeze, it is blowing a gale still across the Shetland Isles. It will ease down, but we pick up more cloud as that weather front pushes a bit further north and another one approaches. So all in all, it should stay relatively mild, 5 or 6, despite some holes in the cloud. But it does mean that tomorrow, yes, there will be some holes in the cloud, but probably different areas seeing some sunshine. And still, with the cloud quite thick in the west, it could be drizzly with some mist and hill fog around the coast and hills. And this weather front's looming and pushing some heavier rain in later in the day. It looks like a wetter day for the Northern Isles. So temperatures again, 13, 14, where we see those brighter breaks. But in comes our weather front, and it's behind that we get a change in how it feels. Yes, we get that cold northerly or northwesterly coming south, but it's not all chilly because the sunshine is getting stronger, and actually it's going to clear out all this cloud, so it's going to be much brighter for many of us. It may take its time to brighten across East Anglia and the southeast, and yes, it's still February, so still cold enough for some snow on the tops of the mountains, and temperatures 4 or 5 degrees lower than those of today and tomorrow. So we will notice the chillier feel, more certainly so overnight, as you can see. Perhaps a little winteriness in those showers coming south, but more notably the return of some nighttime frosts as we go towards Thursday morning. But again, as we move into Thursday morning, there may be the odd shower around, but plenty of sunshine around. Then the next weather front starts to approach the northwest later in the day, but just like Wednesday, temperatures are a little lower, closer to the average at this time of year. Then we get that next weather front and low pressure brushing close by to the northeast of Scotland, just pushing that weather front aside for a day or so. But that high pressure system is coming back in for the weekend, but we will pick up more nighttime frost by then, Ben.
Helen, thank you very much. And a